Hello, good afternoon campus. Today is Maths Tuesday, but before we begin, let's check our plants from yesterday. So, here's my plant, and as you can see, not much has happened. So I'm going to write on my observation sheet, no change. No change, meaning that nothing has started to happen just yet. Today I have prepared a game for you, which is a counting game. It's very easy and it's based on a game that I used to play with my siblings as a child. It's called What's the Time, Mr. Wolf? In a minute, we'll have a look at the game. We are also going to make flextangles. Now these are from a fantastic site called Babble, Dabble, Do, where you can find lots of fantastic and fun exercises to do at home. But this is definitely one of my favourites. So let's get to it and begin. How to play What's the Time, Mr. Wolf? Player 1, Player 2 and Wolf. Player 1 throws the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? It's 4 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Player 2 throws the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? It's 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Player 1 throws the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? It's 5 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Player 2 throws the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? It's 11 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Player 1 throws the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? It's 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Player 2 throws the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? It's 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? Dinner time. So now we go back to the beginning, and this time doggy is wolf. There we go, and that's the game. Well, I hope you enjoyed that game. Now let's have a go at making flextangles. I think these are fantastic. You can colour it however you like and then cut it out and stick it. I will enclose below the pattern. These are from a website called Babble, Dabble, Do, and they're full of fantastic resources which I really recommend checking out. Well, I hope you have a fantastic day and that you really enjoy Maths Tuesday. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye bye campus.